So guys, I'm not going to do a lot of videos like this. This is probably my first video. So this is either going to be called I Saved a Bird's Life or Story Time. So I'm just doing this video because I'm bored and I can't go over to Raznik Outdoors today or Six Killers. Because I was over there yesterday and this is what the story was. So we were just hanging out, chopping stuff, like we just were having fun. Raznik went over there and found a bird. It had a fishing wire wrapped up around its leg and a stick impaled through the leg. And it was dangling on and that stick the string got wrapped around another stick that was in the ground growing. So it was just stuck there, and I wanted to save the bird's life. They wanted to kill it. What would you guys do? So they was calling their dad, their sister, and their mama to see what they thought. And what would you honestly, what would you guys do? Would you try to save its life, or would you just kill it and then? Because one leg was fine, the other leg was just hanging on up. So they're over there about to go get their pellet gun and stuff and just shoot it like how they already want to do. You guys seen the We're Going Bird Hunting video, and so that kind of made me mad because I want to save it, because I like trying to save lives and try to end them. And so they was over there trying to go get their pellet gun. I grabbed the machete and I just cut that stick right from underground, and I'm telling you, it flew away. Like that one stick that was in the ground got off of it, that other stick flew off of it, and it flew perfectly fine straight away. And look it up on Google. It says birds can last without one leg. It's just going to be harder for them to eat and land on branches. So it flew straight up with white beams coming down around it, looked like. It was just beautiful. And they're over here screaming at me and telling me that I shouldn't have done that for 10 minutes until I told them to look it up on Google. They looked it up on Google, and Raznik agreed, but Six Killer, my cousin, he ended up getting mad like always because he wanted to kill something. So that was the story. How about I saved a bird's life?